Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the channel. My name is Connie and I am so delighted to be your guide here on the Storyteller Compass. I'm proudly part of the baby boomer generation and I just love sharing stories that connect us all. Today's video, which I'm recording on a lovely January 9th, 2026, is a very special one. I'm going to be introducing another one of our playlists, or as I prefer to call them, the chapters of our channel. Please make sure you watch all the way to the end, because the playlist I am about to feature will pop up right there in the upper left corner of your screen. You can just click on it and go straight to exploring. So, what is this new chapter all about? It's a subject incredibly dear to my heart. This chapter focuses on the Appalachian people. Now, my own roots run deep into this region. After my family's journey to America from England, with branches reaching all the way from Ireland and even Russia, they found a home in these mountains. It's a story that, like so many others, beautifully reflects the incredible melting pot that is America. So let me introduce you to the playlist: Appalachian People, Stories, Heritage, and Mountain Life. This collection is your invitation to step right into the heart of the mountains. It's a curated celebration of the Appalachian people, their stories, their traditions, their unique humor, the hardships they faced, and their truly enduring faith. This playlist is all about highlighting the voices that shaped this remarkable region. We'll hear from the coal miners, the master storytellers, the gifted musicians, the resourceful homesteaders, and the families whose sheer resilience built a culture that is truly unlike any other in the world. Each video in this playlist is designed to be a window. It's a window into the lived experiences of Appalachia. We'll trace the migration paths that brought so many different people to these hills. We'll marvel at intricate mountain crafts passed down through generations. We'll sit a spell and listen to the kind of front porch wisdom that you just can't find in books. And we'll explore the deep spiritual roots that anchor these communities. It's a journey that covers the breadth of what it means to be Appalachian. Whether you're a student researching history, or perhaps you're exploring your own family heritage and think you might have a connection here, or maybe you're simply drawn to the raw, honest beauty of mountain storytelling, this playlist is for you. Our goal here is to preserve the legacy of a people who continue to inspire us with their strength and their spirit. I truly believe it's perfect for educators looking for authentic materials, for history lovers, for cultural explorers, and really for anyone who cherishes genuine American stories. I was thinking about what makes Appalachia so captivating, and I believe it's the authenticity. It's a culture forged by the land itself, by the winding roads, the deep hollers, and the towering peaks. It's a culture of making do, of helping your neighbor, and of finding joy in the simple, profound things in life. You see, the story of Appalachia isn't just a regional story, it's a human story. It's about community, survival, and holding on to your identity in a world that is always changing. In this collection, you'll encounter tales of incredible courage. You'll hear the banjo and the fiddle sing songs of both sorrow and celebration. You'll learn about folk medicine, time-honored farming techniques, and the central role that faith and family play in everyday life. We wanted to create something that felt less like a documentary and more like a conversation. As if you're sitting right there with the people sharing their lives with you. It's about honoring the past while also celebrating the vibrant living culture of Appalachia today. These aren't stories frozen in time. They are alive and breathing. I'm just so excited to share this with all of you. It has been a labor of love to gather these stories and present them in a way that feels respectful and true. I hope you find as much inspiration and wonder in them as I have. Remember, in just a moment, that link will appear in the corner for you to click. I can't wait to hear what you think, so please leave your thoughts in the comments after you've had a chance to watch a few. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next chapter. I'll see you in the next video.